it's Sanura. I am so excited. I decided that it is time to make my own vanilla extract. And I have been using this one for years. So now I decided that it was time to make my own. So I got this really pretty canister at Hobby Lobby. I ordered some organic vanilla beans. I got some vodka, and they said that vanilla flavored vodka would be best for making vanilla extract, so that's what I grabbed. And I just have my favorite Citrus Bliss by Doterra here because it has vanilla extract in it, and it just smells so good, and I love adding it to my essential oil bracelets I make. If you can see those a little bit, those are in my shop. So let's get started. I just pulled the vanilla beans out of the bag, and they just smell so good and so fresh. And I'm gonna cut them in half and put them in the canister. I used 10 split Madagascar vanilla beans. There they are, soaking in the vodka.